We have a wonderful home tour to share with you today, and it's really kind of special to me because it's my parents' home. They've just recently made the decision to sell this home and to move closer to family. We're so excited to have them close to us now, and we wanted to get this video tour in so that you could see how special this home is that they have just recently sold. It is a historic home. It was built in 1915, and it has some really wonderful character and features that I know that you're going to love. We were actually surprised one day. We were scrolling through Facebook, and if you've ever been on the Facebook page called For the Love of Old Homes, they post some of the most beautiful historic homes all over the country that are for sale. And up popped my parents' house. We were so surprised. We don't know who shared it, but it was really neat to see it there, and it's a special house. It's a house, and it has wonderful features. It has beautiful decorations, but that's not what made it a home. And I think it's really important for you to understand what harvesting home means. It means that you're firmly planted, bearing fruit. And we were really blessed to have some special memories that were made during our time in this home with all of our children, the grandchildren, growing up knowing this home, and weddings, family gatherings, celebrations, heartaches, all of those things that brought us together as a family with friends and community. We are so thankful for the time that we had there and the memories that were created by my parents. And that is really the foundation that I received. And it was a foundation of faith in the Lord and a love for family, valuing hard work, all of those different principles that were so important to my parents, and they instilled into our family. And I think that is something that makes a harvesting home. And it's not just a Pinterest-worthy table, Pinterest-worthy picture that you can share where it looks perfect. It's not about your house being spotless all the time. It's about those moments and those memories that you can make with your family. And sometimes we need to pause in the midst of the craziness of our life and remember what really matters. And that really is what's important, is our families. You know, all of those things just help to create what was a beautiful house into a home, and a family that loved each other and loved that home and the time that they had there. And then that house loved them back, and it was obvious to the community, and we know that it will be that for someone else too, and that in their new home that they're going to bring all of those values and all of those important things that they've taught us, and we're going to have even more memories and have a beautiful home here that we can share with you also one day. I hope that you will like and subscribe to our channel. We have so many great things coming up, some content. We've got some fall crafts that we're going to do, and one of the things that I'm going to share is how to make a thankful tree. And that's a way that you can have those memories, and you can make some of those memories with your family and your children and grandchildren this Thanksgiving. So be sure to subscribe so that you'll be notified when those videos are up on YouTube. that you enjoyed this tour and that it encouraged you and that you can look for ways to make your home a harvesting home. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified when I upload new content. You'll notice that I'm sitting here in my office, and this is a tour that I'll give you in the coming days as soon as we get it all finished. I'm looking at some boxes and some stuff that's still kind of a mess, but we'll have that video tour of this room very soon. In the meantime, be looking for some videos coming this weekend where I'm going to share some fall crafts, some things that you can do with your kids and your grandkids, and maybe some ideas for around Thanksgiving. We're going to be doing a thankful tree, so I think you're going to like that.